Call upon your Ishtadevam, call upon your Kuladevam, all the angels, all the Siddhas who are helping you in this journey of your life. Now you are going to release all the karma which is stored in the body. Your body is your living memory bank. Whatever you experience, either joy, fear, trauma, guilt, love, loss, everything as an energetic imprint. When the emotions are not expressed, it becomes the blocked energy. So, we are going to release this blocked energy. This blocked energy is somewhere, it could be in our emotion, it could be in our thoughts. This blocked energy can form some habits. This blocked energy even reflects in our relationship, even reflects in our physical well-being. All the pains, all the discomfort, recurring patterns, and emotional triggers are all your blocked energy. So it is telling all blocked energy, any pain, any discomfort, or any recurring patterns, or all the emotional triggers, it is telling, please look here, something needs healing. So in today's class, we are going to look what needs healing through mindfulness, and we are going to release it. So we are going to listen to the body and see what is stored, and we are going to release it. Your body is protecting you by holding what mind could not process at that time. So sometimes you will feel, I don't know why I feel heavy. I shouldn't be upset, but I am. I am moved on long ago, yet my body is stuck. You would have felt all these things. So the all the unwanted emotions are either stored in the mental, emotional, or in the energetic body. Everything which is suppressed, ignored, and judged are stored. So many times people would have said, be strong, don't cry, adjust, move on quickly. All these emotions are stored, all the anger, all the sadness, all the fear, all the guilt, all the shames are all stored in the body. Many times rejections are stored as heart black. Fear are stored in the lower part of the body. Suppressions and are stored in the throat. Okay. Now be mindful, connect with your body. Your body is a living entity, it's a moving energy, and ask your body, what am I storing now? Where is the stiffness in the body? What is that which needs healing? Connect with your body and ask again, what is that which needs healing right now? What is that which is needed healing right now? Where do I feel tension? Which part feel heavy? For some of you, it could be head. All the confusion, all the mental exhaustion, self doubt, fear are all reflects as a blockage or tension in the head. For some, it might be in eyes, refusing to see the truth, being forced to witness painful events, fear of future, avoiding. All these things manifest as eye blocks. If your throat gives you sensation, then it is, fear of speaking truth, creativity blockages, not expressing, not putting the boundaries. Your heart is heavy. There could be some loss, emotional blockages, grief. If the stomach area is heavy, it could be lack of self worth, more of fear, more of control. If your lower back, hip, legs, then it is definitely a safety fear or support or money fear or instability. Just I gave a random things. Concentrate on your body and connect and ask the body what is the emotion or what is the event which has created this heavy feeling or tightening feeling or blocked feeling or pain or discomfort in this area. Give few minutes time. What has caused this discomfort? What has created this illness? Ask to yourself. Breathe slowly and listen to the body. Breathe slowly and listen to the body. Breathe slowly and listen to the body. Now thank your body for the information it has given. Even if you have not received any proper information, it's okay. Just the awareness of discomfort is more than enough. Now we are going to do a simple exercise to release the emotions or the pain or the discomfort. Keep one hand on your heart, another hand on your belly. Keep one hand, take one hand to your heart, another hand to your belly. Mentally say, today I listen to my body. I allow old energy to release gently. I forgive myself for holding this. I allow and release now. I release what is no longer needed for me. I release. I release all the blocked energy, all the suppressed energy which is no longer needed for me. As you are doing this process mindfully, you are mindfully aware and release the pain energy, discomfort, cause and root cause of this discomfort. Through this simple mental affirmation, I am releasing, I allow, and I am releasing what all that is no longer needed for my higher self. I forgive myself and release gently. I release, I release, I release. I release all the karmas, all the suppression, all the things which is I am holding. I release, I release, I release. All the anger that is not expressed properly, I release. I release all the sadness. I release all the fear. I am safe now. With lot of forgiveness, I release my guilty feelings. With lot of acceptance, I release my shame feelings. I release, I release, I release. Be in the state of release for another 1 minute. Whether anything comes up in your mind or not, just say, I release, I release, I release all the pain energy, all the discomfort, all the sufferings. I release, I release, I release, I release, I release, I release, I release whatever is not needed for my higher self. I release, completely release. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, my higher self. Thank you, my body, for allowing me to understand what it is holding. Thank you, my mind and breath, for taking me to the part which is holding. Thank you, my Ishtadevam, Kuladevam, and all Devatas who are helped in this journey of releasing. Please practice of this releasing exercise at least 1 minute daily until you see changes in yourself. The changes will be physical as well as in your life. When you release all the blocks, your life also changes. You will start having lot of clarity. You will start having lot of good moments, happy moments, and your body will start to communicate more and more to you. Thank you so much.